Torn between choices, understanding decision-making in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an expression that perfectly captures the feeling of indecision, torn between choices. Whether it's choosing a career path, deciding where to live, or even selecting an ice cream flavor, we've all been there. Let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and see how it's used in everyday English. The phrase, torn between choices, refers to a state of indecision where a person finds it difficult to choose between two or more options because they seem equally appealing or unappealing. The word, torn, vividly describes the inner conflict and emotional struggle one experiences during this process. It's as if you're being pulled in different directions by your options, making it hard to settle on just one. To help you understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal decisions. I'm torn between studying engineering and taking a gap year to travel. Both options have their pros and cons. 2. Professional scenarios. She was torn between accepting a job offer with a higher salary and staying at her current job, which she loves but pays less. 3. Social situations. We were torn between going to the beach or the mountains for our vacation. Each has its own charm. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various contexts, emphasizing the universality of indecision in human experiences. Understanding the phrase, torn between choices, not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you express complex emotional states in English. It's a phrase that can foster empathy and connection, as it touches upon a deeply relatable aspect of human nature, the difficulty of making choices. Moreover, recognizing and using such phrases can enhance your conversational skills and make your English more natural and fluent. It shows that you can grasp and convey nuanced emotional experiences, an essential skill in effective communication. Being torn between choices is a part of life's journey, reflecting our growth, values, and priorities. We hope this video has shed light on this poignant expression, making it easier for you to use it in your conversations and writing. Remember, it's through understanding and articulating such complex feelings that we connect more deeply with others. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. We're here to help you navigate the intricacies of English, one phrase at a time. See you in the next video.